Odette here, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in and spending this little time with me today. I do appreciate it. I have no idea when you guys are going to be seeing this video. I really don't know. You might be seeing this video in the new year. I do have a few videos filmed. Some of them are edited, some of them are not. And so whenever you see this video, you see it, okay? In any case, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the products I use on my skin for the winter season. My summer and springtime skincare is totally different to the winter because I am Canadian, I am living in Canada, and we are in the winter months. It can get between, I would say, -5 to about maybe 6 or 7, which is not too bad for this time of year. But then when you get into January, February, it gets really cold, and of course February is considered the coldest month. But in any case, I'm going to show you guys the things that I do use on my skin, because I think your skin can go through stress a lot in the winter season, because when it's so dry, your skin can be so crisp, because you know, with the coldness, it can remove all of that moisture from your skin. So you want to be able to maintain that, you know, healthy moisture without your skin being too harsh and dry and itchy and all of that. So using the right products will help. Okay, if you're living in North America or anywhere that snows, you should know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. So let's start with the feet. I use this shea butter. This is pure shea butter, and I got this from Amazon. Okay, and I have been using this for a very long time. I use this on my feet twice a day, in the morning and at night. You can use this on your elbows, on your hair, on your skin. You can use this anyhow you want. And of course you can see here that I have been dipping into this thing, and I just like dip from the center of it. It doesn't really matter. And it smells really nice, and it's pure shea butter, and I got this from Amazon. I'm going to link this in the description box for you. And this is a Skin Pride brand. Really lovely. And I'm just going to bring this up close so you guys can see it. This is the packaging right here. It's going to be down below for you guys, and I want you to get this particular brand from Amazon. It is really good. And let's talk about my body brushing. So I use this particular body brush. I like this one because it is so good. It has these little massage balls on the inside that helps to massage your skin while you're giving your skin a good brush or a good buff, or however you want to say it. So I use another brush for dry brushing, and I use this one in my shower. And this is so good. You can even use the gloves as well that I've shown you guys some time back for dry brushing as well. So when I'm in my shower and my skin is all lathered up, I just use this to give my skin that extra buffing and to help to remove all the dead skin cells from my hands, around my nails, my elbows, just around my chest, my feet. But I brush everything up to the heart, so you know, all the lymph nodes can be detoxed. You know, you just brush everything this way, and you know, even around my neck, I just brush everything down, my back, my feet, everything gets nicely brushed with this. And I think this is a Mio bath brush. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this came in a Look Fantastic beauty box sometime back, or I may have purchased this separately from Look Fantastic. One or two of those things, I am not quite sure. But this is a really good one, and if you are going to be getting body brushes, get the one with the massage head, so you're going to be getting 2 for 1. Okay, you're going to be getting your dry brushing, and you're also going to be getting your massaging as well. It is so good. Don't use this on your face, just use it on your body. Okay, lovely, love that. And let me just show you the body oils that I'm using. I just started using this one from Avon. I showed you guys this before in a haul not too long ago, and this is a body oil with vitamin C that's going to help to brighten up the skin. It's not going to interfere with the pigmentation of your skin to make you not light, like some people want to lighten their skin. It's not that. It's just going to lighten up all of those dark areas in your skin. Just started using this. It's been about a week, and so far so good. And this is another body oil that I'm using. This is from Bloomtown. This is a British company, and I had seen this couple, and they were on, I think, Shark Tank, and I thought, oh my god, everything is so organic and everything is just like nothing in here to harm your skin. I thought I have to reach out to these people, so I did do that, and I placed an order, and I still have a couple of their things here still, and they are so good. And this is the last bottle of the body oil that I do have. Really, really good. Everything is going to be down below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on something. And this is another body oil I'm using. This is from Aveno, and this is a daily moisturizing oil mist, and it smells wonderful. I mean, I can't describe scents to you guys, but this one smells really good. So these are the 3 body oils I have been using so far for the winter season that really helps to add moisture to my skin. I am looking for moisture, I'm looking for hydration, I'm looking for softness and plumpness and all of that. And this is what I'm getting from these oils. Now, I don't use the body oils on its own. I like to use my moisturizer first, and then I'm going to go in with my body oils on top, because I find that if I use body oils on its own, for some reason I feel like my skin is really dry. I mean, although it's helping to absorb into the skin, but it does leave a little bit of a dryness on my skin, so I always like to use my moisturizer first. So I've talked about this before from Nivea, sorry, not Aveno. This is the body milk. It says firming, Q10, vitamin C, and all of that. That's not important to me, because I have been using this brand for a very long time, and my body hasn't firmed up one bit. I'm just saying. But it's for dry skin as well, and it does leave your skin feeling really, really soft and moist, and you don't even see a dry patch on your skin when you use this one. And also from Aveno, I also like this as well. This is such a good brand. Don't get the generic ones. I mean, I know they have the generic brand as well, but I like to use the actual Aveno brand. This is a little bit pricey, but it's good. It smells like oats, but it is such a good body lotion, and I like to use this on my elbows and on my heels and around my back, because sometimes when your skin gets so dry in the elbows, because you might be sitting on a desk and you might be pressing on your desk or however you sit, and I just like to use this on the elbows and on the heels. It's really, really, really good. So these are the 2 that I recommend for you, and I know there are a lot of different body moisturizers out there, but I like these 2. Now, let's talk about Aromatherapy. This is from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, I love this so much. This is stress relief, and this has eucalyptus in it. Let's use this hand, and you just need a little bit of this, my god. And oh my god, it smells divine. It smells so good. And I use this in the morning because I just need to give myself that little extra prep in the morning, that little extra boost of energy. And I put this on before I leave for work in the mornings. I don't use it at night. And sometimes during the day I can still smell this little hint of eucalyptus on my skin, and it smells really, really lovely. And what I love about this is the fact that it is in a glass bottle. Love that. And from Bath and Body Works, it's going to be down below, not to worry. This is another one again in a glass bottle from Bath and Body Works. Oh, by the way, did I not show that close? I'm close for you guys. There it is. There it is. Okay. And this one is orange and ginger. And this one says energy. Let's just spray this on this side. Oh, Jesus. You guys, I'm telling you, if you follow my lead, you're gonna be happy people. If you follow my lead and do exactly like I say, you would be happy people. This smells wonderful. I'm just gonna rub this all over my clothes. It smells divine. There it is, orange and ginger. You have to get this from Bath and Body Works, people. You must get those. It is so good. So the next thing we're going to talk about is body scrub, and this is one of the best body scrubs on the market. If you guys come across any other brand of body scrub, please let me know and I'm going to buy it. But you would not find another body scrub like this one from Asam, okay? And I have been using this for a very long time. If you don't believe me, let me show you. I have this one here. I have my beauty blenders in it, okay? I figured, why am I throwing this out when I could just store something in here? This is another one that I had been through from Asam, okay? And this smells so good, so good. And not only that, here is another one. So I have been using this brand for ages. And these things last a long time. This is such a good body scrub to have from Asam. This is a sugar scrub, and I gotta tell you, the beautiful oils in here is gonna leave your skin like a baby bottom. It is so, so good. Oh my God. So I still do have the cover on top, but I'm not quite sure if you can see on the inside. And I've had this in my collection for about 9 months, and look at that. And all you need is just a little bit of this. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see all the beautiful oils that's in here. Let me just pour this out and show you. Do you see that? I mean, the beautiful, gorgeous oils, and this is what's going to help your skin with all the moisture. It's going to help you with detoxing. It's going to help to brighten up the skin. It is just amazing. Yeah, this is the Aveno Gold. I mean, this is an awesome, awesome, awesome brand. The best body scrub ever. And I like to use this body scrub again because, like I said, it is a sugar scrub, and it's not going to hurt your skin, because I've used other body scrubs before and it just makes your skin so harsh with the little granules in it, which just really helps to irritate your skin. This is not going to do that. The sugar scrub is going to melt and your skin is going to be like butter. So, a couple more things we're going to talk about before we wrap up this video. This is from Skin Cosmetics. These are what I call my luxury skincare, and this is called Reverse Body Butter, and it's really going to help with crow's feet and dryness and all of that stuff. And it smells really, really lovely, very light scented, and there it is. And it is so, so pretty. You may not be able to see that, but I use this sparingly, and I use this at night on my legs and on my back, and it really helps to make your skin nice and soft, from Skin Cosmetics. And another one from Skin Cosmetics I do have is the Divine Elixir. And this has all the good stuff for your skin, and I find this really helps to relax my legs. You know, sometimes, you know, you go to bed and you're a little bit uneasy on your feet. You rub this on your feet, it's going to help to relax the body. It keeps my body nice and cool at night and when I'm sleeping. This is what I use at night as well from Skin Cosmetics. It is so good, and I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys as well. Amazing products for amazing skin during the winter season. All of these things will be down below for you guys. And on that note, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys do enjoy this little time you spent with me today, showing you my skincare products for the winter. Again, it's going to be, all of them is going to be listed in the description box for you guys, okay? So on that note, my name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you, and I shall see you next time. Doodles!